What's up guys, and welcome back to the channel. And on today's video, Steph plays Apprann Leve. And if you stick around towards the end, I have two bonuses for you guys, one of which you'll be able to add to pretty much any song that you play if used correctly. So that sounds interesting, let's get into it. Into part one, starting on the C major, right? So you have C and G in the left, C, E, G in the right. Going to the F major chord, right? You have F, C in the left, F, A, C in the right. Then we're going down to an E minor chord. You're gonna keep your thumb on the left hand, but you're changing your pinky to the E. Thumb on the C, thumb on the right hand on the E, G, and C. Going back to C major, right? And then we're gonna head back to F, going up to G, and then, right, you have G, D, G, B, D, back to C major. The first half of the verse, right, sus 4, and then going back over to F, to G major, right? We have G, D, G, B, D, and then to A minor. You have A and E in the left, A, C, E in the right, back down to G, then to F, to G again, to finish off in C major. Sus 4 at the end. One more time. F major, right? Going down to E minor, right? We have E, C again, E, G, and C in the right. Notice how we're forming that C major chord in the middle, but with the E at the bottom, C in the left, C in the top. Back to F major, to G major, and then to C major again. Sus 4, right? Going back down to F major, to G major, then to A minor. Sorry, we have the G major, sorry about that. To A minor, right? And then back down to G, down to F, back to G, finishing off at the C. Sus 4. Right? That is basically the song. Okay, so let's play it again and let's play along with me. And on the second half, I'll go ahead and teach you guys a new part. Starting off the F major, go to the C major, F major, G major, Alleluia, right? Here we go. Apprann Leve, F major, to the G major, to the A minor, right? Back to the F major, to the G major, back to C. Hallelujah. All right, second half, I'm gonna teach you guys the new part, okay? All right, so you guys gotta be careful here. Just a little bit of a change, but we're gonna go into the new section. Apprann Leve. Go to the C major, back to the F major, to the G major, and then to C major. All right, so here is the new part. Apprann Leve. Now, this note right here, right? You see how my left hand is on two F sharp notes, right? And my right hand has the D, E, and G there, right? Going back to F major, to E minor, F back to F major, to G major, back to C, finishing off in C. more time. Let's do it again. Apprann Leve, right here. And then back to F, to E minor, double hands on the left, to the A minor, back to G, to F, to G, finish things off in C major. And that's the new section. All right, guys, let's teach the new part of the song that I want to teach you guys here, a little riff that I think you guys will really get a kick out of and use everywhere. So the riff goes as follows, right? It's gonna start with C in the left hand, C, D, D sharp, and E. You're ending on this E major 7 note. So you have C, D, D sharp, and E. You're building that chord, E, G sharp, B, and D as the major 7 notes. So in total, this is how it should sound like right here. Boom. Right? So again, C, D, D sharp, and E major 7, played by both notes here, or both hands here, go into the A minor. Right? That's the whole point, to build up to go to that A minor. Now, in context, Apprann Leve, let's try it together. Avec yon cœur bien disposé, bouche moins chantée, G, Alleluia. Now we're gonna use the first trick from earlier in the video to the D major, right here, boom. Back to F, and then here's the new the transition, boom, 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 E major 7. Again, you have, and then go into the A minor, back down to G, to F, to G, Alleluia. So it's 4. Alright, now let's have some fun with this. Let me show you guys an application. See if you can guess this song. It's 4. Here we go, transition. Yes, A minor. The G. I want to see if you guys really know this song. See how you can apply it. Alright, to the G major, D sharp, A minor, D minor, to G, to C again. Back to Apprann Leve. Apprann Leve, to the C, back to F, the G, and the C. Here we go into that D major, sus 2, to F, doing the roll again, the transition, boom, back to A minor, to F, to G, ending it off, Alleluia, sus 4. All right, you guys can play around with this as many times as you need to. Do all the variations, add in the extra song like I did. Hey, thank you guys for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it and learned something. Again, that is the goal of this channel, for us to spread the knowledge of these songs throughout our Haitian culture community. Again, if you liked it and learned something, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. And I hope you guys got a kick out of those 2 bonuses at the end, one of which I hope you guys will use in your playing and other songs that you play in the future. Again, share this video with a friend. Our goal is to spread the knowledge to everyone out here. Really hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys on the next one.